Are you tired of feeling anxious while riding your bike at night? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Zudov Bike Lights. We have the Zudov Bike Lights for night riding. Priced at just $14.99, this USB rechargeable bike light set caught my attention with its ultra-slim design and impressive 4+6 lighting modes. If you want reliable visibility without bulk, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Zudov lights feature a fast recharging time of just 1 to 1.5 hours, which means you won't be waiting around for ages before your next ride. With a battery life of up to 7 months, these lights make sure you're ready whenever you need them. Plus, the waterproof IP65 rating means you can ride confidently even when it's drizzling outside. Now, some people complained about the lights being a bit too slim and possibly not as bright as they expected. Here's the thing though, while they might not compete with higher-end models, they provide ample visibility for city riding and casual trips, especially for the price. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter who wants an easy-to-install, budget-friendly light set. Skip this one if you're a hardcore cyclist needing extreme brightness for off-road adventures. For just $14.99, it offers solid value for everyday use. Now, if the Zudov's brightness concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on high brightness. Product number 2, Cuvison Bike Lights. Let's talk about the Cuvison Bike Lights, priced at $18.99. This set promises high brightness with multiple lighting modes, and it's already gained a lot of traction with over 2,000 units sold in the last month. If you want a light that adapts to various night conditions, this one's worth a look. The Cuvison lights shine with 2 main LEDs and 19 auxiliary LEDs, offering a staggering combination of multiple modes to really cover your riding needs. The front light can run for up to 58 hours in slow flash mode, which means you can ride for days without worrying about the battery running out. The IPX6 waterproof rating ensures these lights can handle rainy rides without faltering, keeping you safe no matter the weather. Now, the downside is that some users found the installation a bit tricky without tools. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the ease of use is fantastic and you won't have to worry about it falling off mid-ride. This is perfect for you if you're looking for bright, versatile lights that can keep up with your biking adventures. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of installation work. Given its features, I think it's a great investment for $18.99. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for security and visibility. Product number 3, Blitzu Gator 320. The Blitzu Gator 320 comes in at $28.39, and let me tell you, this set aims to make night riding as safe as possible. The inclusion of a bike bell is a nice touch, making it a complete safety kit. If you want peace of mind while riding, this one's a great choice. The Gator 320 features a bright white front headlight and a red rear taillight, designed specifically for urban riding. It's super easy to install without any tools, which means you can take it on and off quickly if you're worried about theft. Plus, it's water resistant, so you don't have to shy away from riding in the rain. However, some users mention that the lights might not be bright enough for extreme off-road conditions. Here's the thing, while they're perfect for city riding, if you're hitting the trails, you may want to consider something more powerful. This is perfect for you if you're commuting or riding in urban areas and need a reliable safety kit. Skip this one if you're an off-road enthusiast needing high-powered lighting. For $28.39, you get a comprehensive kit that's hard to beat. Now, if the Gator 320's price feels a bit steep, the next product is an excellent budget-friendly alternative. Product number 4, BV Bike Lights. The BV Bike Lights offer an impressive value for those on a budget. With a simple design and easy installation, I was genuinely surprised by how effective these lights are for the price. If you're looking for a no-frills option, this is definitely worth checking out. These lights feature a bright 5 LED headlight and a 3 LED tail light, with the capability to illuminate a range of 30 to 40 feet.
They're waterproof and can run for over 80 hours, which is fantastic for those long rides. You won't have to worry about running out of battery anytime soon. One honest flaw is that the build quality might feel a bit cheap compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you're still getting a reliable light that performs well for everyday biking, especially for casual riders or kids. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, functional light set for basic riding. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features or extreme durability. At $9.99, you're getting a great deal. Now, if you like the affordability of the BV lights, wait until you hear about the last product, which brings even more features without breaking the bank.
Product number 5, Gearlight Bike Lights at $17.99. This set includes both front and back lights, boasting a bright 400 lumen output. If you want a solid blend of performance and price, this set is worth a serious look. With 5 lighting modes, the Gearlight lights are designed for various riding conditions, ensuring you're visible no matter where you are. The tool-free, quick universal mount means you can install it within seconds, and it's made with durable materials that can withstand a bit of rough weather with its IPX4 rating. However, one downside is that the lights are not as bright as some higher-end models. But here's the thing, for the average cyclist, they provide more than enough visibility for city riding and casual trips. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a well-rounded light set that's easy to install and won't drain your wallet. Skip this one if you need professional-grade visibility for extreme conditions. At $17.99, it's a solid choice for most everyday cyclists. So, to quickly recap, we've covered the Zudov, Kvekin, Blitzu Gator 320, BV bike lights, and Gearlight bike lights. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kvekin bike lights because of their brightness and versatility, making them perfect for a variety of riding situations. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Blitzu Gator 320 if you're looking for something to handle off-road conditions.